Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to make your character look cool on Roblox, so let's get right into it. So, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to type in Roblox t-shirts. Once you do that, you're going to go here, and you're going to look at find something like Nike or something like Adidas. But make sure it has like a black outlining, so then it'll, see if you add blue with this, that'll just look stupid. So let's find one that I would like. I like this one will work. I think, no, that one will work, so the shading on the edge. But, one like this will work. But, let's just use this, actually let's use the Adidas one. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna do this. And you're gonna hit save picture as, save. And if you go to the avatar, go to develop, go to t-shirts. Then you go to create a t-shirt. You do not need Builder's Club for this, by the way. That's the only reason I'm saying it's free. Hit upload, and you successfully upload a shirt. Oh man, it's one of the, hold on, let me see. Go to avatar. You do need Builder's Club to actually sell this, though. I think it's one of those ones where it'll actually show the other t-shirt. Okay, yeah guys, so sorry about that. Let's find another one. Let's just use the MLG Get Wrecked. Okay, let's go here. Let's go back to develop. Back to t-shirts. Sorry about this, guys. I didn't realize it was a t-shirt one like that. Let's go to the one we just found. So that should work. Oh, they didn't like it. Okay, well, we can just use this one, I guess, for now. So let's hit equip. So now that you're wearing that, that's pretty cool. But something else you can do to add is that, and that. So these do cost Robux, but it's not that much. It's like 2, 3, 4, 500 Robux, which is just not that much for these 4. And you look cool. So this is how you make your character look cool. This is the for free version, so this is how you make your character look cool for free. Hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to like and subscribe, and bye.